It's freezing out there this morning. It's what they call dog nose cold. It says that it's 40 degrees and it says it feels like 29. They were not wrong. And I'm surprised. I went out there, and it's because I really wanted to go out. I really wanted to get a walk in this morning and hear. You know, it's like once you start listening while walking in nature, it becomes like an addiction. You can't really just give it up. At least not without a fight. But I know also that our people were traumatized in the outdoors. So a lot of our people are still afraid of being in nature. You don't really see a lot of us outside. You don't see enough of us. You see some who get it and have got to recognize the healing energy that's in nature, but it's not enough of us. And this is why I believe, go through such emotional, we experience so many illnesses, mental illnesses, because we're not getting the sun that we so need. And it's like every time I get outside, I feel renewed. Every time I get that chance to go outside and be in the outdoors, I feel rejuvenated. I feel just like a boost. Because we need the sun in our, what they call it, cornea. We need it in our retina. We need it. And you can't get that kind of sun from just looking out the window. You have to literally open the window and step outside. So that's what I had to share with you this morning. Get outside, get in the outdoors, even if it's for like 10, 15 minutes. Doesn't have to be a lot. It's freezing outside. My hands are cold, but my feet are not. My face is not. My chin is not. My mouth isn't twisted. That's the kind of cold I remember from back home in New York. This cold is like, it's nippy. It's nippy. But there was nobody really out there walking. I had passed maybe 2 people walking, maybe 3. And for a long time, I didn't see anybody. So folks are scared of the cold. But it takes a lot for a northerner to be convinced that it's cold. It takes a lot. So have a wonderful and blessed day. Peace.